Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna watch how to apply a student visa to Estonia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your orders. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a long-term student visa, that's more than 90 days. So for any Schengen country, you cannot apply type C, right? Because type C is for less than 90 days. So it's called D. So how you're gonna apply? You're gonna apply based on the instructions given as per the region you are. For example, like if you're in India, I've opened Embassy of Estonia in New Delhi. So similarly, wherever you are, check the information based on your location. So here, if you go for consular and visa information, they have given like D visa long stay. So I have opened D visa for students. Okay. So what it says that they accept D visa applications for students who are accepted to Estonian university. That's fine. And once they are in Estonia, they can apply residence permit for study in the Estonian police and border guard board offices. Okay. Only after they have the resident permit, the family members can apply for resident permit or visit visa. All right. So next is to check the visa documents, that the required documents for studying. So you can click on it. I have clicked on it. Wow, and it's opening. Open, right? So I'm gonna open the file. Okay. So required document checklist is it? This visa application form. I'll copy the link. Can I copy it? Yeah, I can. Perfect. Passport in last 10 years. Okay. Passport photograph allowing for proper identity with white background. They have given the specification. Travel insurance. Additional documents, travel reservations, of course. Document proving applicants' admission to colleges wherever they are going. Proof of sustenance, how they are uh, gonna support them. So that's why, and moreover, guys, in the beginning of the video, I told about location-specific documents. See this. Tax return for last 3 years, model 5 in India. Required additional documents for research. So this may or may not be applicable. Previous school university diplomas from applicant's country of origin. Okay. All right. So we have gone through this. Fee €100, and what they have said, you need to come to embassy in person. The visa decision process is max 15 days. You can keep the passport if needed. You need to use this calendar and book the appointment. Okay. Now we will see the form. Okay, so it's various language. This is for C visa and this is long stay D visa. So we are going for D, so we'll put it in open in English. Okay, so your email address, I'll put something because it's because I'll not be submitting the form, but you'll get a copy of the form from where you need to uh, download, sign, and carry it along with you. Email address. What should I do? Estonian at .com. Okay. Hopefully this gets accepted. It looks like it is. Okay. So I'm putting some sample information, but you have to do as per your case. Okay. These are first page is very simple, like you do not need any explanation for it. Oh, I think I clicked some wrong button. Okay. Do it as per your case and as per your passport so that you do not encounter any issue later. And if you have any doubt, you should do The name undefined. Okay. Nationality. If different from no. Whatever is applicable in your case, you're gonna do that. I'm just putting sample, guys. And you can get all this information easily from your passport. So make sure you check it. And be very careful. Many people do minor mistakes in this and then later on struggle. So you don't want anything like that, right? So make sure you do it properly so that you do not have to worry about it later about correction and all. At present, you are not working or studying or are retired, whatever is your case. Position, let's say you are working. Employer or school or street. I'm going sample, guys. Telephone number. Yeah. Duration of intended say indicate the number of days. Wow. Desirable intended date. Okay. Need to put as per your case, guys. Again, I'm saying not what you see here. Are you a family member of European Union? I select no, but if it's applicable, do it. Purpose of your journey. Okay, so this is your school. In that case, so unfortunately, I won't be able to show you more because registration code I do not have. But you can do it as per okay. Next, they will ask remaining questions about insurance, finance, some attachments they may ask at the end, and finally you will submit it. And they will also mail a copy to you that will go to your mail. From there, you can download, print, and documents we have already reviewed. Now let's check embassy calendar. So temporary, it's not possible to book calendar booking. So based on your location, you can book as per the contact numbers. So whichever is like we are doing for New Delhi, right? So this is for New Delhi. So you can contact by this method and book your appointment. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.